Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and she's got one egg left. I think she's got one egg left. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think that's the egg that's left.